5 Best Floor Steamers Reviews. Number 1. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner Multi-Purpose Heavy-Duty Steamer. Are you looking for a small yet the best home floor steamer? Then the Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner can be an ideal suit for you. It is a great floor steamer that helps to remove stains and dirt from the floors. You can also use it for cleaning furniture, toys, bathrooms, and even appliances. You will also find that there is a retractable handle in this machine. That makes it easier to carry and store it. Its hose is around 6.5 feet, and it allows you to reach all the surfaces in your home. You can use this product in about 7 minutes. The tank can hold enough water so that you can clean up to 50 minutes. But most importantly, you will get quite a lot of accessories with it. Number 2. Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket S5003D. Shark Genius is a steam cleaner that can remove any hideous dirt and grime off your floor. Its mop head pads are excellent absorbers that help suck up all the liquid from your floor. This washable pad is also designed for gripping dirt quite hard. These pads will help to remove dirt, and there won't be a single molecule of dirt escaping from it. If you notice a particularly strong, stuck for a while stain, you can use a steam blaster to clean it. Another great thing about it is that when you use it, you do not have to touch the dirty mop pad with your hand either. It has hands-free technology that allows you to attach, clean, and erase the pad without touching it. Number 3. Bissell PowerFresh Steam Cleaner. Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop is an excellent and one of the best rated floor steamer. It allows you to simultaneously clean and sanitizes your floors. You will be able to disinfect your floors and provide it a deep cleaning without using any harmful chemicals. But you can use this product to clean several different surfaces, including hardwood floors, ceramic, and marble. There are 2 different settings available in it which you can choose according to your cleaning needs. It also has a swivel steering that allows you to push the steamer to your floor quickly. It also comes with a measuring cup to make it easier to fill your product's water tank. The measuring cup will be attached to the handle for storage. This product includes a spot boost brush that helps to clear messes that are stuck to your floor. Number 4. Steam Mop Cleaner Therma Pro 12-in-1 with convenient detachable handheld unit. If you use this Therma Pro 12-in-1 for cleaning, your home will become quite more comfortable drastically. Coming with a set of useful attachments, you can clean everything in your home from floors, furniture, appliances, and more. We like the fact that this unit can clean up a variety of floors, including carpeted areas, tiled, and hardwood floors. Most importantly, it comes with a detachable handheld unit that you can use as a garment steamer, glass cleaner, and you can clean your mirror as well. But most importantly, it is capable of removing bacteria and germs from the fabric as well. So it is quite handy and leaves your home safe, clean, and smelling fresh. Number 5. McCulloch MC1275 Heavy-Duty Steamer with 18 Accessory. Cleaning the grout lines and water stains on your bathroom fixtures is not easy. However, this does not have to be the case when using the McCulloch MC1275 Steam Cleaner. It comes with a professional design. This steam cleaner helps you effortlessly restore sparkling to your floor. This cleaner uses superheated steam that sanitizes the floor and easily cuts dirt at the same time. But most importantly, this unit comes with lots of different features that enable it to tackle different stains off many different floors. This unit comes with a large capacity tank that gives you steam for up to 35 minutes. This allows you to clean a large floor without refilling your cleaner for a while.